Well, Mehendi, as we noted also that the AAIB has mentioned that this is just the preliminary report and further investigation is ongoing. All evidence is being examined. So, what further can we expect from this investigation? And as you're joining us from the ground, you're live from the Civil Aviation Ministry, of course, are there any statements expected to be made by the ministry now that the preliminary investigation report has been released?
Well, rightly put up, Malvika, because from the AAIB also it is specifically being mentioned that this is just a preliminary report and more investigation is still underway in this matter, and more truths will be uncovered that what all happened and what went wrong on 12th June when this major airplane crashed where 240 people lost their lives. So if we talk about the other statements, Malvika, then after the report has just been issued, it has just been out, so there is no such statement from the Civil Aviation Ministry, but we can hope that in the upcoming days, as soon as the truth uncovers, as soon as more investigation is being done in this matter, and as more information will be gathered regarding what all happened and how the fuel engines got turned from run to cut off. So indeed, after that, we can hope that there can be an official statement also from the ministry or from the Air India officials as well. But as of now, after the preliminary report is out, just an official statement has come from the Air India where they have said that they will support the investigation, the further investigation as well, and they also put out their solidarity with the people, with the families who lost their loved ones in this airplane crash. So this is one of the only statements that have been come out from the Air India officially on their official platform. They have taken it to their platform, saying that they will support the investigation that will be done in the upcoming days as well with the AAIB. So this is just an official statement that has been come after the preliminary report is out, but we can hope and it is very, very likely right now, Malvika, that more statements from the ministry or from other officials can be come out. Yes, Malvika.
Well,